Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we have seen the bar graph, how to draw the bar graph. Today, we see how to draw a bar graph. Okay, and definition of the bar graph is double bar graph help to compare two collection of a data at a glance. Means here we compare the two collection of data side by side. So here we take the example from exercise 3.3 question number 4. Okay, now we see the what is the question here. Here question is given. See here the performance of the student in first term and second term is given, and draw a double bar graph using appropriate scale and answer the followings. So here question subject is given: English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science. And here first term maximum marks 100, second term again out of 100 marks maximum marks. So here marks are given. Now by using this information we draw the bar graph. Okay, here first we choose the appropriate scale. Okay, here numbers, see all the numbers, observe all the numbers: 67, 72, 88, 81, 73, 70, 65, 95, 85 and 70. Means this all number between 10 to 100. So we take a scale, 1 unit is equal to 10, and this is marks, 10 marks. Okay, so here this is our scale. Now we use the bar graph book. Okay, you open your bar graph book and write here on this page, plain page, you have to write the question here. Exercise 3.3 question number 4, draw the table and also write this question given below the table. Okay, and this page you have to draw a bar graph. So this is your page, and this page you have to draw first x-axis, that is horizontal line and y-axis means vertical line. Okay, by using scale. So first we draw the axis. Okay, so we start from first line. With the help of scale we draw these two lines, vertical and horizontal line. Okay, then right here x, this is s axis and this is y axis. Okay, and now we observe the table again. Here our subjects are given, so we take these subjects on x axis, this here. Okay, on x axis, and these marks, sorry, we take these marks on uh, marks on this y-axis, and subject we take on x-axis. So we write here subject. Okay, so here which subjects are given, these are the subject, and this here we write here marks. Then here we write this scale we take here, this is 1 unit. We write here scale, 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. We take this scale, and after that we write here, this is small box. We take this here, this is square. In this square you see these 4 types of small boxes. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one box we have to write, we color this one box. Okay, first term marks. Okay, this is for first term, and blank box means second term. Okay, so again you have to write this first term and second term marks. Okay, so here write here the marks on this scale. So right here first we start from 0. Okay, here 10, 20, 30, 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here are maximum marks are 95. Okay, so here we take the numbers up to 100. Okay, and here we take the subject. So here you have to write first subject. So first subject is English. Okay, so here we take in first column, see you have to left this first line. Okay, and in second column you have to write here English. Then second subject Hindi. Again we left one row and write here Hindi. In third math. Next subject science. And then next social science. So you have to write this subject. So here we write the subjects English, Hindi, math, science and social science. Now here we take first term marks. How much marks here? 67 marks in English first term. Okay, so first we write 67. Where is 67? So here we see 60. Okay, 60, and after that 60 you have to take small line. How many lines? 7 lines. 61, 62, 63, 64. This is 65. Then 66 and 67. Here we get 5 and this is 2 line. Okay, now you have to mark on it. Now we take here again we divide this column into these 2 rows. देखो यहाँ पे आपको 2 rows दिखेंगे. Okay, ये this is big column and in this big column you have to see here 2 parts. Okay, this is half part and again this half part. This is middle line. Okay, तो आपको सिर्फ यहाँ से हाफ पार्ट ही लेना है. Okay, first you have to mark on 67 but half part, only half part. Okay, and by using scale you have to join this. Okay, so this is first term marks. Okay, and in second terms how many marks? In 70 marks. Where is 70? See, here is 70 marks. So here we write 70. Now you have to again add these 2 line, join line by using scale. So here we get 2 graph for English. Okay, and we already here write this dark box means first term and blank box means second term. So in first box, this is first term exam, so you have to color it, or by using pencil you have to color the box. Okay, or you have to use the crayons also, no problem, to show the difference between first term and second term's marks. Okay, this is first term. Then second terms. So right here second term, second subject is Hindi, and Hindi the marks is again given in Hindi 72 marks in first term and 65 marks in second term. So here again first 60, 72, this is 70 and after 70 you take a 2 lines. Okay, so here we draw a line and join this line by using graph. Okay, again here we take only half part of this column. Then this is first term, second term 65 marks, this is 60 and this is 5, so we get here 65. Now we join this, so here we get double bar. Okay, and this is first term, so you have to draw this slanting line. Okay, no problem, to show the difference. Here also we draw the slanting line. Here we draw a slanting line for first term because this is easy for drawing. Okay, 1 2 this type slanting line. Okay, then third subject is maths, and in maths we get first term 88 marks and second term 95 marks. So 88, where is 88? So this is 80, and after 80 you have to count 8 lines. This is 85, 86, 87 and 88. Okay, first you have to, sorry, this is wrong column, this is maths column. Okay, here we draw a line, then join the line. Here we get 88, and in second term 95. This is 90 and this is 95 marks. So again you have to join the line. Here we get 2 bars. This is first term, and this is second term. In this way you have to solve the science and social science. In science 85, 81 marks in first term. So here is 80 and 81. 81 means you have to take only one line after 80. Okay, this is 80 and 85. This is 85. Again you have to join these 2 lines. Now first term marks you have to color it. Then next, social science. Again take social science. 73 marks is first term. This is 70 and 73. After 70 you have to take 3 lines, 71, 72, 73, and draw the lines. So we get first bar. Okay, then 75. Here is 75. So you have to join this line. So here we get 2 bars, 70, and so here we get 2 bars for social science. 73 marks in first term and 75 marks in second term. Now our bar graph is ready. In this bar graph we first draw the x-axis, then y-axis, then write the marks on y-axis and write the subject on x-axis. And very important, we take here first scale, and scale is 1 unit means 10 marks. Okay, and first terms you have to draw this small box. This first term you showed by using this slanting line for first term marks, and this blank box means second term marks. Okay, so here we draw the bar graph. Okay, and now we solve the question answer given in the your textbook. In which subject has the child improved his performance most? So here, which subject is, you already see here. You see the bar graph. Which subject in second term? So here we see the bar graph. This is 95 marks. Okay, in second term, and first term 88 marks. Means which subject, in which subject? So this is math. So write here your answer in math. The child improve his performance the most. Okay, so you have to write here maths. Then second, in which subject is the improvement is least? In which subject? Least means सबसे कम. So see again bar graph. Which subject least marks? So here this is in second term marks, and this is less marks, least marks. So how many marks? Say only 65 marks. First term 72 marks, mean in second term only 65 marks. So which subject is Hindi? So you have to write here Hindi. Then next, has the performing gone down in any subject? Check the first term marks and second term marks. Here 67, here 70. Improvement is done. Here 72, again 62. Here marks gone down. Okay. Then here again improvement 85, 81, 85, improvement 81. So again, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes. In Hindi, performance gone down. Okay. This is your question. You have to write this all question on this blank page. Okay, in your graph book. Okay, thank you.